I look like a, a dweeb. I'm at my parents' house. I'm about to wash. I got a full basket and a half little basket. I'm about to wash that, and I'm about to help my mom chop up these vegetables for the sides. So I am helping with 4th of July. Look at him. No, it's not the feelings I had before.
Nah, I am. Look, cause our birthday bubble, I was like, you know your daddy crucified a nigga in front of the school, right?
You got her hair.
What?
Here are the hair goodies that I got. Me and Brody. Look at that. So cute.
As somebody that people just don't forget, the twins seen him.
Oh, I'm finally home. Well, I've been home for an hour now, but I had did Paisley and I here, and we did a video. And now I get to enjoy my habit burger that my auntie had got for me earlier when I went with her to the store. Morning waves. Baby girl over there. I just got done bathing her, put some sunblock on her. She good to go. I just gotta take her flat twist out for her hair, but I'm gonna do that when we about to head out the door. I ironed all of our clothes, and it's 7:38 right now. I have almost all of my kiddos, in the tub. I woke up Alan first. He went back to sleep though. He put on, I told him if he gonna go back to sleep to put on like some PJs or something, not his clothes. So he got washed his hair, took a bath, and he went back to sleep. Paisley, y'all saw her. Andrew's in there right now, so I told him to make sure he washed his hair and put on sunblock and all that good stuff. And when he gets out, then I'm gonna get in there. So we are on time because my dad is gonna start barbecuing at 9. He did most of it yesterday. The easy stuff he said he was gonna do today, and Sean has to work, so Sean was just gonna go over there and keep my dad company while he barbecue. What you need now? Rent?
Yeah.
This is what we've got. The kids are in the jumper. Wow. He was running. I'm on the grill. Look at my baby. Hi, godmommy's baby. How you feeling, pregnant lady?
Ready for this to be over.
It's fresh and stunner, and we like brothers. He shine like paint, and it's our song.
So cute. Super.
Yes, she is. That's my boogie.
Stop calling her Boogie. It's Olivia.
I call her Boogie.
Olivia. Or Bill.
Hi. Look at them, they got dominoes.
What here?
Get your sister. Why is she doing that? Get it, girls. Get it, girls.